Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a different type of video. Well, today I am going to try Senegalese twist on my hair by myself. Pray for me, because I never did this before. I'm going to do some in my hair and then I'm going to come back when I get to the front just to show you how to do it or how I do it. But I'm going to probably come back and just show you how it does look when I get like maybe to the mid part of my head, like halfway done, and then I'll come back when I reach the top to show you. But I'm gonna start in the back and I'll see you guys when I'm halfway done. Okay, so guys, I am halfway down my head, as you can see, and I just figured I'd come back on here just to show you guys how I have been doing this process. So what I do is I already have this sectioned off, and I'm just going to basically split it with my finger. I'm going for box, but not too boxy, you know, kind of natural, I guess. But I'm going to pin this part up, and I have this section right here to work with. So I'm going to take some of my Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. This is what I've been using in my hair to seal my hair. I put it at the root first, and then I twist it while I'm twisting with my hair. So first I just go in and make sure I get this part extra slick. And then I split it into two. And then I take a piece of hair that I have already separated, I guess you could say. And it's not too thick, but it's not too thin. It's just right for me. So then I take the hair and I flip it behind me, and I start off with a braid. And then I take the piece of weave that doesn't already have my hair in it, and I put it with a piece of weave. So then I just get some more of the edge wax and I start twisting. You want to make sure when you are twisting that you're like rolling your fingers with the weave in it to give it an extra twist so it can stay. And you're gonna see me continue to stop and keep adding more of the Murray's wax just to seal my hair so it doesn't I have no flyaways and it doesn't like unravel basically. And I'm just going to twist it all the way down. So I take one little like strand of the hair and I separate it from the rest of the hair, and I put it around my finger and then make a knot. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because at the end of me doing this, I'm going to dip my end so it'll make it like just straight. And then if you want to, you can double knot it. I do sometimes, but I guess I'll just go ahead and double knot it so you can see what it looks like. just pull it tight. And then I just let it hang. And they're not all gonna be the same exact size when you first, I guess, start to ever try and do twist on yourself. But once you get the hang of it, it's not going to be the same exact size no matter what, but it should be equivalent. It shouldn't be that noticeable. I'm going to do one more for demonstration, and then I am going to come back and show you guys my end result. Murray's wax, and I'm going to put it on my hair. I'm going to really coat this one because it's the front, my edges. Everybody will see this, so. And then once again, I'm going to take a piece of the hair, split it off from the rest of the twist. And then I'm going to wrap it around my finger to make a knot. So I have this top half of my hair left. I'm going to finish that section of my hair and then come back to you guys when I'm done. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. It took me a long time. A really long time. But I am happy with the way my hair came out. For my first time ever doing it, I think I did a really good job. I made it versatile so that way I could switch it with the parts and stuff, but I don't know why, whenever I get braids, I always put it on the side. So I made this side part, and yeah, so goofy. I made this side part, and my middle part I'm not even about to show y'all because I got a little lazy. I'll probably go back. You know what, I don't even care. I'm gonna show y'all. But the middle just looks like this. I will never have it in the middle. And then the other side looks like this. But it hurt to keep switching it. It hurts, so I'm gonna put it back over there. I did it kind of tight. I'm really proud of myself for the first time me ever playing with weaves and doing any type of twist. I did it. So I'm not gonna keep playing with it. It's gonna be in the scarf for majority of the time because we're on lockdown. So, but I just wanted to put my hair in some type of protective style so I won't keep feeling the need to play with it. Play with it every 5 seconds. So I did that. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how long it is. Come on, focus. Shoot. Okay, so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and let me know if you guys try my method of doing it. I know there's a bunch of videos on YouTube that show you how to do it, but if you learned from my video, let me know. That would mean a lot to me. And I will just see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment what you guys want me to do. I mean, I'm bored up in this place, so.
House and I'm in the house, bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house, bored.
I don't have nothing but time on my hands. You could just tell me, hey girl, do this video, do that, do. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Oh yeah, Canada Dry Ginger Ale, sponsor me, because I drink you every day, so sponsor me. See y'all. Girl. And these are just some videos and pictures that I took with my braids and my makeup done. I hope you guys all enjoy them. Ma! Can you come here? Can you come here? Downstairs. You need to hurry up. Let it work. Make room. Let it work. Hey. Let it work. I'm sorry. That's the end of the song.
It's my birthday. Shine a light on me. Hey.
Okay.
Oh, this is so sweet. Where does this come from?
It's strawberry shortcake.
Oh. Okay.
Ooh.
I love y'all. Oh, this is so sweet, Boopa.
You're welcome,
Thank
Mama.
you.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
thank you.
You're welcome.
She got me a 4 and a 2.
Mm-hmm.
Good thing you didn't put little individual candles on here.
Why?
I'd have been out of breath.